What's that sound? Oh, who's there? Oh, it's just my room. Wow. Time for sweet dreams, Finley. Wow. Just a little magic. Wow. Wow. Who are you? Shh. It's okay, little one. I'm so sleepy. Don't worry, I'm here now. Wow, you're real. Come on, Finley. Wow, Maya, this is amazing. Look, Finley, isn't it wonderful? Wow, Maya, it's so beautiful. Look, Finley, a magical portal. Wow. Let's go through it together. Wow, that's amazing. I know, it's so fun. Do it again. All right, here I go. Look, Finley, welcome to the Dream Garden. Wow, it's so beautiful, Maya. Sleep, little one, and dream of sweet things. Wow. Go on. Oh, what is that? Keep away! Stop! No! Don't worry, I'm here. Wow. What is that? Wow. Amazing. Look at them. Yawn. Look. Look. Wow. It's on your nose. Close your eyes, Finley. Wow. Watch. It's glowing. Can I get on? Of course. This is amazing. Wow. This is amazing. Don't worry. I've got you. Come sit with me, Finley. You look tired. Thank you, Maya. Look, Maya. Wow. It's a puppy. It's so cute. Here, let this keep you warm. Wow. Thank you, Maya. It's beautiful. Time to go home, Finley. Wow, that was amazing. Thank you, Maya.